This 32 there.
Yeah.
That's a good brake spot too.
Yeah, we used that a lot on our last trip.
Yeah. That'd be a okay brake spot, I guess. Decent view.
Yeah.
Little purple flowers are pretty through here. A lot of them, they're growing everywhere actually, but I don't know what it is. Good.
Yeah, that's probably better.
We have to keep in mind 32's got decent brake spots on it.
Yeah.
I don't tend to think of this trail as having that. I don't know. Those are some decent spots, but lot milder on this trail than the other one. I guess maybe because it's not as windy down in here.
Yeah, more sun coming through the trees. Usually in the summer this is like the hot desert.
Right. Slide through that turn. Alright, somebody's been doing a little bit of, I don't know if they're doing that for drainage, I guess, really, so it doesn't wash out through here. I think back when we came through that section in the summer, it was real rutted out due to the water had washed it out bad. That must be why they did that, tried to channel that water to the side. I remember now back there, it was like it was some bad washed out ruts right in the middle of the path from the rain, and that must be why they did all that to the side there. Different smell right there. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Get by it. And then they came back the next day after we reported it, and they got the whole tree up. That was a big one. I don't know if we've already passed it or what. I don't know. I think it was close to that creek crossing.
Yeah, I think it's down this way.
Back for that firewood. Been there ever since summertime. Oh, we got a little flow here. That's all we've seen today.
Yeah, 32 Creek usually has water in it.
Just a little bit. Coming out of that pipe, just a little bit of flow.
All we need is a little bit, not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit.
It'd be nice if all of them had just this little bit in it, right? Everywhere else is dry as a bone. not really a well. I guess it's just pipeline access or something. It's easier to say gas well, even though I think technically if it's a well, it's got to have some form of a pump there, you know. Get what I'm saying? Anything up in there? Nothing. Usually that little waterfall's got some action. Ain't nothing coming over the edge yet. Right there.
To the right back here.
No, what was it?
We will be trying to
hang on.
Climb up that.
That gas line goes up that mountain there. Yeah, look at that. Good grief.
It looks like a solid rock too.
Wow, that's just, that's crazy, ain't it? And I mean, look, this keeps getting steeper.
Wow. Now they do it.